I'm here to tell you, do not get this meat shredder. And I'm not saying that because like, oh my God, like it's so good, it changes life. No, this one's actually garbage. I swore by this product. I said it was my favorite kitchen gadget. It has literally changed our life. Those were all words that came out of our mouth. And for a while, yeah, it was, until it wasn't, until it started to become a piece of garbage. Now, here's how it works. So you take the top lid off, you put a piece of whatever meat you're cooking, put it in here, put the top back on, and then you put it on a flat surface, and then you grind it up with the top piece like here. Now, the piece that makes it garbage is the only way that this works is if the bottom part needs to stick and stay flat while this can freely move about. Well, this one is garbage because the little gripper pieces were tiny and one by one they started falling off, which then made this product obsolete because then it shifts all around the counter and now it doesn't work well. So we still really like the concept of this one, but we just realized that this one was made very, very cheaply. So I found this mama. This is like the Cadillac version of it. So same exact concept, two different pieces. This one is massive in comparison though. Take a look at that size difference. Like there's no comparison. You can fit like an entire chicken in this, and this one you can only do like one leg. So size is huge. You can also see the chicken while you're shredding it. So you can see, because you don't want to over shred it either. And then the gripper pieces on the back, instead of those tiny little dots, it is the entire strip. There's 4 big strips. So those are not going to come off, and those are going to stick to the counter and make this thing work like magic. So if you are going to buy a meat shredder, buy this one. It is slightly more expensive, but this one is not going to stop working after 2 months like this one did.